Hey guys, this is Sumaya. Today we will see how we can add a live chat to WordPress websites. By adding a live chat to your WordPress site, your site visitors can get to you easily. There are many live chat plugins for WordPress like Zopium Chat, Live Chat, Crisp, and more. In this tutorial, we will see how you can integrate Crisp Chat with your WordPress site. Let me take you to the official website of Crisp because we need to sign up first. Okay, here they are asking for some data to create an account. So let's type in each. First, enter your email ID and then create a password. Now, enter your name and then click on the continue button. Now, enter your website details here and then click continue. That's done. And this message here says that you'll get to enjoy all the features and benefits of Crisp until the trial period expires, which is 2 weeks. And then you can choose your plan according to your need. So let's proceed by clicking the finalize button. So let's go to the dashboard of Crisp. So this is the live chat inbox where the messages from your customers will appear. Now, to connect Crisp to your WordPress site, let's go to the WordPress dashboard and install the Crisp plugin. Click on the plugins option that you see on the sidebar and then click on the add new button. Okay, here we can search for the Crisp plugin. Here it is. Let's install and activate the plugin. Okay, now let's connect Crisp to our site. Now it's connected with our site. Now let's check it on the website. So here it is. When a user sends a message here, it will be notified in your Crisp inbox. Let's try it by sending a message here. Okay, now let's check the Crisp inbox. Here it is. And when you read the message, it will be notified to the user. And you can reply to this message by typing it here. And it will appear like this in the website. So that's how you set up basic Crisp WordPress live chat for your site. And now to make it more engaging, Crisp comes with many features. So let's see the first option here. Here, you can see the first option is to add a website. You can choose this option if you want to enable Crisp chat for another website. Just click on it and enter your website details. And if you want to add someone in your team to chat with the user, like if you want someone to answer the user's query, you can click on this option called add operator and enter the person's role and email ID here. Now when it's done, an invitation will be sent to the person and he may approve it and join the chat. In the inbox section, you can assign and reassign operators for each chat by clicking on this reassign option. And once this ticket is closed, you can click this resolve option. Now let's go to the second option, which is the visitors. Here you can view the active visitors on your website and their location. In case if you want to view the activity of the user within your website, you can click on this magic browse option which you see right here. This is a plugin. Using this magic browse, you can direct the visitors within your website. Also, you can move the cursor and visit links in your website. Okay, now let's go to the next option, which is contact. And here you can view the visitor's details and even send a message even if the ticket is already closed. The analytics option here helps you monitor the overall performance of your site. And then comes the plugins. And here is a list of plugins that are supported in Crisp. For example, this plugin, which is called Trigger, can be used to send automatic messages when the website visitor is opting to chat. And finally, in the settings option that you see right here, you can edit the account profile and even add an image that will appear as a chat head. So that's how you integrate crisp live chat with your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.